With close to 6 million inoculations, India ranks number 3 in the list of countries for the highest number of inoculations in the first 23 days of the immunization drive that was launched on January 16th. Probably, India would have been number 1 on the list if it didn't deliberately slow the inoculation process. But why did we have to slow the process in the first place? Well, I'll tell you all that and more in this special report. You're watching TV9 News and I'm your host Deepak. Now, number 1 on the list of countries that inoculated the maximum number of people is the United States, with about 36.82 million beneficiaries receiving the doses of the vaccine. Followed by United States is the United Kingdom with 11.48 million inoculations so far. So the Union Health Ministry said in a statement that India ranked number 3 on the list with 6 million doses being administered in the first 23 days of the inoculation drive in India, which started on January 16th. So now let's dive deep into why India is number 3. But you'd probably be surprised if I told you that the vaccination pace was deliberately kept slow in the country. ICMR Dr. N.K. Arora said that the pace was kept slow deliberately in a bid to solve all the problems that a nation would encounter during a vaccination drive and iron them out gradually during the process. So India certainly has the infrastructure to vaccinate 5 to 8 million people every single day. In fact, during the Pulse Polio drive, more than 17 crore children would be inoculated in a week several times a year. But when it comes to the vaccine, the drive was deliberately slowed. The reason is that polio already has a system in place to administer, or rather to monitor, the inoculation process. People are not skeptical about getting their kids inoculated with the polio drops, but when it comes to the COVID-19 vaccination, people were initially skeptical about getting the shots, and there were discrepancies in the CoWIN app, and not many knew about the efficacy of the vaccines and also the adverse reactions associated to them. So in order to iron out such problems, the vaccine inoculation process had to be slowed down deliberately by the nation. Now that I've told you about the reason behind India featuring on the 3rd spot, let me give you some data. In the data, if the data is anything to go by, then each state in the country has vaccinated more than 2 lakh beneficiaries so far. Uttar Pradesh, which is the biggest state in the country, accounts for the highest number of inoculations with close to 6,73,542 beneficiaries being vaccinated so far. Maharashtra has the second highest number of inoculations with 4,73,000, and Rajasthan stands at number 3 with 4,59,000 inoculations. So the cumulative tally of the vaccine coverage in India stands at 57,75,322, out of which 53,04,546 of them are healthcare workers and 4,70,776 are the frontline workers, which also includes the municipal staff, police personnel, civil defense staff, and others who are categorized under the frontline workers category. Do let us know what you think about India's current pace in terms of vaccinating the entire population in the comment section below. And also do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to TV9 News on various social media platforms. Many thanks for watching.